Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to connect key11 combo portronics mouse with your iPad. Okay, and you can see here this is my iPad and it is iPad 3, iPad Air 3. I'm opening my settings, go to about, then you can see option of here it is iPad Air 3 and iPad OS is 18.3. So how to connect that? I'm already connected my device and I will tell you the steps. Okay, first you have to turn on this mouse. You can turn on with upward, then it will be work with Bluetooth. You can turn on downward, then it will be work with Wi-Fi. So we are using Bluetooth, so I will turn on this and press and hold this button for pairing mode. I'm already paired this device with my iPad, so I can easily connect it. So you can see here this is my Bluetooth. Okay, and I will turn my Bluetooth on. Then you can see here key11 BT2, it is already connected, so much fast. You can see that. And iPad 18.3, you can see the white dot is running around the pages, you can see here. Okay, and iPad 18.3 does not support with mouse pointer. You have to upgrade your iOS to 26 point something or above to get that mouse pointer. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial. In this way you can simply connect your key11 combo mouse with your iPad. You can connect keyboard also the same time simultaneously. There is no lag, there is no problems. You can simply connect multiple Bluetooth device with your iPad or any Android phones. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and in this video you can simply understand how to how to use this after pairing. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.